Levinson at Carpets of Arizona, and I'm really excited about some of the new stuff we got in this year. You are absolutely going to love this. Of course, we've got Bolera carpet, which is our top seller by far, great for stairs and high traffic areas. And then this is new, Mohawks RevWood is a waterproof RevWood that very durable, amazing scratch resistance, and you should see some of the looks of these hand scraped looks and beautiful selection of wood that is wider and longer planks, 100% waterproof, and then it's also American made, which is great because most of the stuff comes out of China, so it's nice to have a very good quality product that's American made. This is new too, SolidTech. It's an American made product that we just got in from Mohawk, and this is a limestone resilient, and again, very scratch resistant, incredibly durable, easy to clean, soft on your feet, soft on your back. Great selection of flooring. You're gonna love the selection that you have now at Carpets of Arizona. Come down to the showroom in Chandler or Glendale, or we can come out to your house for a free in-home estimate. We look forward to working with you on your flooring projects.